Hi everyone, and today we have new templates about Microsoft Excel, and this template for semester calendar. So here you enter your data about your class, and here is class list, course ID, course name, instructor, day, year, semester, time to start, time to finish, and duration. Okay, you enter your data about your classes here, and in this sheet, deadlines, you enter the deadlines about each course, like quiz, assignments, presentations, projects, papers, and so on, okay? And you have many columns, such as course ID, course name, year, semester, item description, and due date, okay? After that, in this sheet, weekly schedule, you enter the weekly schedule of your classes, and the result will be appeared in this sheet, semester calendar. So you will find the semester calendar of your year. If you want to enter a specific year, just use the year and use start date from here, and you will find deadlines, semester projects here. So on the mid of January, you will find the first quiz, and first quiz here on 15. So you enter this quiz here, quiz 1, on 15 of January 2022. So when you enter here the assignments and descriptions deadline, you will show these descriptions, assignments, projects, presentation here in your semester calendar. Okay? This is about semester calendar template. Also, this is simple and awesome template about seasonal family calendar. So you can select the year from here, and you will find the calendar of this year, and you can enter whatever note you want to enter here about this day. Also, you will find picture, so it's colorized, and it's have awesome picture about the months. It's awesome. So it's a family template for your calendar, and many people favorite this type of templates. You can enter your own pictures for this template, okay? Also, you have this template, this seasonal illustrated in-year calendar. You just select the calendar from here and select the week start day from here, and after that you will find, if you want to enter 2030, and this is the calendar for 2030, you will find the months as worksheets here, and this is March, this is April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and this is January, and this is February, okay? So this is awesome sheet for illustrated in year calendar, okay? Finally, and the fourth template here are summer break activity calendar. This is heavy and awesome template about the holidays and vacations in summer. So you just have to select the year here from here, and once you select the year, you will find the corresponding calendar and summer months about this year. So you just type what you plan to do and what you intend to do for this day. Just swimming in this Monday, and you can also select a symbol for this swimming, so I can select that. Also, if you want to make a summer break here, you can write and select. Also, if you want to go to the beach, just write it from here, and select the symbol for that. Also, if you want to eat ice cream, so just select the symbol from here. Also, if you have a birthday, of my wife, so just select here and write birthday of my wife and select the symbol for that. Also, if you want to have a dating, just write here dating with my friend and copy format and select here. So you can plan your summer vacation and summer break in awesome way using these symbols and this description and this templates is awesome. So that's enough today. And here is our template after entering the planned days and the planned events in 2028. Thank you. If you have any question, please contact me. Thank you and see you in the next lecture.